Back to drawing big cats. I love the tiger. I love how proud they are. We went to see some live tigers when we were in Phoenix, Arizona, and as we went to see a location called Out of Africa, there's an activity that goes on there that's called the Tiger Splash, and it's so cool to watch the tigers playing. It's a worthwhile thing. It's just north of Phoenix, about an hour north of Phoenix, and it's worth going to see. So I went to see these tigers, and as I was watching, there was this one tiger that had a real neat personality, and so when he came to the fence, I took a picture of his face and decided that I would do a drawing of him and hopefully do justice to how proud he is and how playful he was. I'm not too sure I achieved that, but you'll see the step-by-step process that I went through drawing this big cat, and I hope it helps you, and I hope you find something that makes you feel like you have to create. So good luck. Another cat.
Thank you for watching the Drawing Digitally video. Don't forget to comment, suggest, and subscribe.